Okay, hey guys, what's up? I got some new Nature Box. I got the praline pumpkin seeds. Here, I'll just show you. Praline pumpkin seeds, honey macadamia pretzel pops, sea salt pops, cinnamon swirl kettle kernels like tongue twister, and the Fiji apples. Fiji apples, not Fuji. I've tried the Fuji apples, which were good. They kind of remind me of the pineapple, which I still have some. I had them hidden in my house. And I tried the cinnamon swirl kettle kernels. They were both really good. I have not tried the other. I was going to save them and do them while I'm, but yeah. So the first one I'm going to try is the praline pumpkin seeds. I already have them open. I just actually haven't eaten them. So let's see if I can accomplish getting them open. I don't know if I can. Maybe I should have made sure they were open really good before I did this. Jeez. I must not have opened it very good. Sorry. Smell really good. So this is the praline pumpkin seeds. Alright, here we go. Those are really good. I like these. Now my hand's stuck in the bag. Those are really good. No, you can't put your head in the bag. You're sick. You're gonna wait. Now I need a drink of water before I go on. There's Shelby. She's sick today. She has strep throat. Fun, right?
Sure.
Okay. I advise you to have a drink when you eat those. Okay. We're good. Next, I'm trying the honey macadamia pretzel pops.
Are they good?
Oh, good. You want one? Yeah. There you go. Oh, really good. Honey and macadamia colored pretzels. Those are really, really good. Next, sea salt pops. It's like popcorn.
Looks like popcorn.
Thumbs up. I like it.
You're actually right.
I had never tried any of these before. So, in the end, all of these are really good. I didn't actually choose any of these this month. I let them send me whichever ones or the next ones on the list. I didn't even look at it. When I got the email that said it's time to choose your pantry selections, I didn't even honestly choose any. These to me feel a lot of a lighter choice than the last ones that I had.
Can I have some of those and some of those?
After you eat your lunch.
Okay.
Like I would
try that one.
Okay, you will just a little bit, okay? Let's eat your lunch. The last box that I had actually had like the yogurt covered, the pretzel, like the can't talk, the covered pretzels, which, like I said, were really, really good. Those were probably still my favorite right now. I mean, who doesn't like Greek covered yogurt pretzels? I mean, come on now. Another one that's still my favorite is the Big Island pineapple. It's so good. Sorry, I'm cooking Shelby's lunch. She's having ramen noodles. And she has a sore throat, poor girl. So that's pretty much the box. That is the box. I'm still going to be getting them. They're so good. There's only been a few that I haven't really been a fan of. Like the peaches. I wasn't a fan of the peaches. But look what I have hidden in my drawer. These are mine. So when I want them, I can have them. Well, there you go, guys. That is my Nature Box review for today. I was really excited. Shelby said, "Thank you, Nature Box." I think is that what you said?
No, hi to Nature Box.
Oh, she said hi to Nature Box from Daddy, because when Daddy gets a hold of Nature Box goes bye-bye. Eats them really quickly. And I'm like, no, we need to save them because I love them. Well, I hope you all are having a good day. And until next time.